most of the life in the tropics doesn't live at the ground level. Most of life is at the canopy level. The invitation and the opportunity that we want to provide residents here in El Bosque is to live at the canopy level, where most of that life is happening, where most of that movement and, buzz is happening. Living here, your senses start to attune to nature and attune to natural cycles and natural rhythms, to the sounds, to the smells, to the textures. Believe it or not, we're just 900 yards away from the sand and from the water. And we're probably the same distance away from the main road. So it just feels like an oasis in between the busyness of the main road and the salty air. Well, if you pay close attention, what you're hearing right now are chicharras. There's also some birds. That's a diriro. No motorcycles, no cars. Just quiet. It really makes a difference when you're able to listen to the sounds of nature, when you're trying to put your baby to sleep, or when you're trying to, write your next song or write your next book page. It is a luxury to be able to enjoy that nowadays. So there's your luxury. See, and if you notice as well, as we moved a little bit away from the road, how the sounds of the forest also change.
I'm coming.
The invitation and the experience, the lifestyle, is one where you are able to pay attention to those little details and appreciate them. It's just, your mind and your life attuning to those spaces. It's a gift.